Hello, what's up? This is Anthony BTV once again. This is the video for today is the same thing before the last video what I upload that has a problem in the temple arm that detached on the temple hinge. As you can see, so this is the temple hinge, and then as you can see here, it's become empty, so it detached. So same thing what happened in my last video. So same procedures. So we need to remove this and heat this temple hinge and attach on this temple arm. Again, once again, you can use anything. You can use glue or epoxy. You can use that. Again, the main thing is it will not stick longer, so it will break again, it will remove again. So the best thing is you need to remove the temple hinge and heat directly on the fire, or on the you have gas stove, or better this directly the fire, so it will be heat, very heat, or very tremendous heat, and then so it will stick here in the plastic temple arm, so it will melt in the inside, and then it will form inside, and it will form and hold the temple hinge so that it will not easily remove. So, okay, so again, just watch my video and then watch how I fixed, and then you can do it by your own in your house, and you don't need to go to the optical shop to be able to fix. You need to pay $1, but in your own you can do it by yourself in your home. It's very simple and very easy. Just follow the video and an easy way how to fix your glasses, especially the broken one. Alright?
Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, really gon' rise to the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Step 1, wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause of sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Alright, so again, we already attached the temple hinge on the temple arm. So it's already very strong. As you can see, it's very clean and neat, so there's no any residue or no damage. So this is the best way. And now we need to attach now and screw and fix properly.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up,
So we need to adjust. It's very crooked. So as you can see here, if the arms crooked, you will be able to see the center. There's a gap, so you need to fix on that. Just to bend this one down to be able to touch here. This, and so to let there's no gap. You need to make sure there's no gap.
Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education.
So as long there's no gap, means it's okay. So same thing here, this the other side.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up,
So
today's gonna be a good day. Wake up,
screw this first.
wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy,
So see, still
reason though.
there's a gap.
Downs just like every different season,
You can apply force a little bit so to let make sure it will not break.
Gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts
Force
are
here.
right. Head full of
This is
flies, so
right
here
there.
come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I swap all the bad
Here.
good in my head when I'm lost.
Yeah.
So I'ma fake it till I make
See now,
positive thoughts are
so there's no unbalance and everything fine. Even here,
you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause of sensation.
alright, I guess it's done. So you can cut here.
Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up,
Alright.
today's gonna be a
Again, so thank you again. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you to your glasses, to your frame. Simple way to fix your glasses in easy way at your home. In your at your home, so no need to bring the glasses to the optical shop. So you can save money. Alright. So once again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to update for my video. You can hit that, so always update. If you have any comment or you want any question, don't hesitate to comment down below and ask something about your glasses. Alright, so thank you for watching, and God bless. Bye for now.
good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a 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 good